If you have been tuned into my channel for a while, you would remember that last year we took it upon ourselves to learn Flutter to build a mobile app, and I ended up building out my time cost calculator, got it into both app stores, released some updates for it in around when did we release the other? I know we released some updates. Was it the end of last year, or maybe it was sometime in August? All I know, we released some updates, some features, some enhancements that users had requested, and we did that. But then we pivoted to working on the large language models, AI in the morning, all that good stuff. However, it was always it's I'm so excited about that app. It's very useful, but I had some ideas for additional features that I really never got the time or the capacity to do it. However, being that we have all these AI tools, all this ability to vibe code, it has resurfaced in my heart. Like, okay, what can we do with it? If you guys saw, I think I don't remember. I might have showed it on a live stream. I don't remember, but I used Devin to fix an app that I was working on. I was just following along, and it fixed the app in a crazy way, really good. So I was like, you know what? I could definitely add some more features to the time cost calculator using Devin. However, I was like, you know what would be some good features to add? And that's where this tool that I just discovered, I saw some videos about it on YouTube, and I was like, I got to try it out. And it is absolutely amazing. So what we're going to be doing today, we're going to be talking about Manus AI and how it has helped and is going to help me enhance my time cost calculator tremendously. So let's get the show started. Welcome to another episode of Software Expressions, Concept and Overviews, hosted by your truly Tech Coach Ralph, where we are, as always, Engineer Twin, or as some of my biggest friends, my biggest fans love to say, I do my best to annoy you to success. Bruh. It is what it is. And I am so happy that I'm able to annoy you, just just prick you until you get off your butt and you get things done. That is my job. That I am that little thorn in your side, and I have no problem with that whatsoever. So we are going to get out there and get it. Let's get it. As we jump into the show, do me a big favor if you have not done so already. Like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell every time we go live, and drop new content. As well, check out techcoach.dev. We have so much exclusive content over there. I just uploaded my latest sprint review where we are working on some serious stuff over there. So check that out. You can see the entire software development life cycle, where we do our sprint review, we do our sprint retrospective, and we do our sprint planning for our next sprint, breaking down so many concepts and so many nuggets in there that will help you level up as you transition in this tech field. The tech field that is really kind of scary right now, because a lot of people think, oh my God, AI is going to take all the jobs. And I'm showing you guys in everything that I do how to make the most of AI so that you can flourish in this new tech landscape that is shaping right before our eyes. All right. But with that being said, let's just jump right into the show. Let me take you guys through Manus and what it was able to help me do. Before we get into Manus, though, let me give you some background. So this time cost calculator is not the traditional time cost calculator where you're like, okay, what are the billable hours? Let me take how much do I make an hour, and I'm going and it's just like the 40-hour work week. No, this one is different. This formula I got from Anton Daniels. Shout out to Anton Daniels, right? But he was breaking down and I will actually post a link to that video right there, right there. I'm gonna post a link to that video. But he was breaking down a long time ago the way he calculates the value of an hour of your time is the total amount of hours in a year, 8,760, 8,784 on a leap year, but in general, 8,760 hours in a year. So you're taking those hours and you're dividing the total amount of money that you make for that whole entire year by 8,760, and it's telling you how much an hour of your time is worth, because time is money. And now I use that calculation to see, okay, what is me doing any activity? What is the dollar cost amount for any activity? And then I decide if it's worth it or not, if it's something that I should delay, if it's something I should do. What is the cost of my time? Because time is money. So I built out the calculator. We added some more features to it. It is in the App Store. I'll put a link to it in the description in case you want to give it a download, try it out. It's a really cool app, right? Very, very helpful, useful information, and it will put a lot of things that you do into perspective. Now, in comes Manus, because I always had some thoughts about what I could do with this app, but lack of time, lack of Flutter development capabilities, lack of the time to actually get those skills. But when I used Devin last month and it helped me fix an app, I was like, all right, cool. I can go back to my time cost calculator. We can add a bunch of features. So let's just jump right into what Manus was able to help me do. So last night I told Manus, you know what, I'm gonna show you what I told Manus. Let's just jump into it. So this is what I told Manus. I told Manus that I built the time cost calculator app, and I made a typo, but it was good. I built the time cost calculator app that calculates how much an hour of your time is worth by taking the total hours in a year and dividing it by the total amount of income brought in. You can see more details about the app at you can see the more details about the app. Maybe I got it wrong in the screen, but you can see more details about the app. And I gave it a link to the Apple App Store. And I said there's an Android version and an Apple version of the app built in Flutter. I want to know what additional features I can use to enhance the capabilities of the app to add more value and help people better budget their time and track the cost of their activities. All right. So, man, it's started. I'm on it. I am on it. All right. I'll help you explore additional features to enhance your time cost calculator app. Let me first examine your current app to understand its existing capabilities, then research similar apps and time management trends to identify valuable feature opportunities. All right, so Manus is on the job. It's starting to look. So first, what I'm going to do, I'm going to navigate to the time cost calculator app in the App Store. So it navigates to the one that I built, and it started getting more detailed. It's starting let me see if I can show. So it went to it, right? And let me see, it's going through the whole page, getting a bunch of information, looking at, so if I was to play this back, I never actually done this before. Let me see if I can. So it went to the time cost calculator, right? Then it went to, so it's going through the site. And now it is looking at the details. It's making its analysis. It's searching Google for more apps. All right, I'm not sure if it found my app on Google, but it's looking for it, right? So this is not my app, but it's just looking at different things, looking at similar apps, and it's doing its features, searching time tracking productivity app features, browsing Zapier, looking for a blog on Zapier about best time tracking applications. So it's reading through that. It's gathering all that data. It's creating a competitor analysis file for me. Searching time management methodologies, productivity techniques. Looking up some more researches so it's looking up an article from Asana for time management tips. Let's see. So more of that. It's reading through it, gathering information, all this good stuff, right? So it's doing all that research, examining meeting time cost app on Google, Zapier, competitive analysis. It's creating the file, all this stuff, right? So it's accepting cookies, keeps reading, yada, yada, yada. Navigate to Mark Zayo Sanders' article on time management techniques. It knows how to navigate through these applications, all right? Examining UX case study for time management app. Save user behavior patterns and pain points research. So it's doing all that research, right? And then it says, all right, I've completed a comprehensive analysis of your time cost calculator app and identified numerous valuable feature opportunities to enhance its capabilities based on extensive research into competitor apps, time management methodologies, and user behavior patterns. I've developed a detailed set of prioritized recommendations. So after doing all that work, it's going to give me some recommendations, right? So it's telling me what it believes that my app's unique strengths are. It focuses on the personal time value, not just billable hours. It's focusing on the personal time value of your time, like how much your time is worth, right? And then it has the practical, is it worth it decision-making tool? Is it worth doing what you're going to do at that particular time? Maybe there's a not now. Let's table it for later once it is more valuable to us, right? Then it says clean, user-friendly interface and cross-platform Flutter implementation. So the same thing that we do for the Android app is going to be applicable to the iOS app, and then if we apply it to and on iPad, and if we turn it into a Mac desktop app, boom, we have that as well. And it can even create a website for you too. Okay, so now it's telling us what are the major market opportunities. Really, really important. So most time tracking apps focus on work slash billable hours, not personal time value. So that's a win for us. Limited decision-making support in existing apps. So other apps don't tell you if it's something actually worth doing. Gap in connecting time cost awareness with productivity methods. Boom. Opportunity to address behavioral change through financial motivation. Let's run it up. It's about the money. Money. Hey. Right? It's about the money. So top priority. So now it's going to give me some recommendations of some features I can add, right? And it's going to even tell you the level of difficulty. So top priority feature recommendation. Tier 1, high impact, medium effort, enhanced activity tracking and history. Something that I always wanted to do. Save calculations, show trends, create categories, all right? Next up, smart timer integration. Using a Pomodoro timer with real-time cause displays. And I would say we can make it customizable, whether you want to do 25 minutes on, 5 minutes off, 20 minutes on, 5 minutes off. Maybe you want to do working for 50 minutes and then 10-minute break. However, we can have that customizable, right? Then we have goal setting and progress tracking, daily time value goals, streaks, and achievements. Those streaks kind of get me nervous because I remember when I was using Duolingo and that streak thing, it was stressing me out. It's the truth. It's the truth, all right? It says enhance decision engine, compare activities, factor in energy levels, track outcomes. Really important, right? Next up, Tier 2, strategic investments, comprehensive time auditing, automatic tracking, efficiency scoring, waste detection. Waste detection, oh my goodness. Wouldn't that be awesome? Productivity method integration, templates for Pomodoro, time blocking, I don't know what GTD is. I'll have to look into that afterwards. Social features and accountability, share goals, team challenges, and progress tracking. That sounds awesome to me. And then advanced analytics, personalized insight, predictive modeling, optimization suggestion. Ooh, that would be so cool. And it says the complete analysis includes detailed implementation guidance, technical considerations, monetization strategies. What? Monetization strategies? That's what I'm talking about. And a phased development roadmap. All recommendations are based on addressing specific user pain points identified through research, right? So now it generates all these documents, but it gives us this beautiful, beautiful PDF document of feature recommendations. I'm going to open that up. And looky here, we have this right here. So, time cost calculator app, comprehensive feature enhancements. So it gives us an executive summary, and I'm not going to read through this whole entire thing, but we can start getting a good feel for what it's going to tell us, right? Based on extensive research into your current time cost calculator app, competitor analysis, time management methodologies, and user behavior patterns, this document presents a comprehensive set of feature recommendations to enhance your app's value proposition and user engagement. The recommendations are organized by priority and implementation complexity to help guide your development roadmap. All right, so current app strengths. Your time cost calculator app has several strong foundations to build upon. So we read this: clear value proposition, simple core functionality, practical decision tool, core platform availability, clean interface, real-time calculations, immediate feedback on time value, right? Market opportunity analysis, identified gaps in current market, personal time value awareness, decision-making, behavior insights, habit formation, integration of cost and productivity. And says your competitive advantages. We read through that already. I'm not going to go through that whole thing again. Feature recommendations by priority. So that was what we went through, the tier 1 high impact, medium effort. And it's giving us a detail of the problem that is addressed, how to implement it. So extend current calculation system with logical storage and local storage and basic analytics. Smart timer integration. So problem address distractions and lack of focus. And then it tells like what we can do. And then implementation, add timer functionality to existing interface with cost calculation. So while the timer is going on, it's something I was thinking about doing. It also has the cost that's being incurred for that actual activity. And if you're making money off that activity, it should be telling you the money that you're making by the work that you're doing as well. You can assign a value to a valued income of the work that you're doing. All right. Goal setting and progress tracking, lack of motivation and consistency. I was just talking to somebody today about lack of motivation and consistency. This might be the app that they need, right? Enhance, is it worth it decision engine? Poor decision making about time allocation. Let's see the features. I want to read this one. Opportunity cost calculator. Compare multiple activities side by side. So you can compare Netflix and chill. You can compare just, lollygagging and watching TV. You can compare, or watching some, maybe some sports game, or I don't know, whatever it could be. Who knows? You can compare going to the park and taking a walk. You can compare studying and, leveling up, getting some type of certification, going to school, who knows what, right? Energy level factor. Adjust time value based on current energy focus levels, time of day optimization. Suggest best times for high value activities, decision history, track past decisions and their outcomes, smart suggestions, AI powered recommendations based on your patterns. Implementation, expand current decision tool with comparative analysis and learning algorithms. And then we go into the tier 2, high impact, high effort, strategic investments, the comprehensive time auditing system. We read through that already. I'm not going to go through all the details. Productivity, methodology integration. We'll check that out. Social features and accountability, advanced analytics and insights, and so forth. All right. And then they even go into a tier 3, medium impact, low effort, quick wins, enhance user experience. So dark mode, light mode, that's a pretty good one. Offline mode with full functionality with without internet connection, that's really cool as well. Exporting type stuff, customization and personalization, integration capabilities. So let me check that out. Calendar integration, import events and calculate time costs. That is a good one right there. I like that. I like that one a lot. Fitness tracker integration, include health activities in time value. That's another good one. Financial app connection, link with budgeting apps for comprehensive life management. Oh my goodness. API access allows third-party integration and custom workflows. Oh, that's nice. And then specialized features, niche value, advanced decision support, multi-criteria decision analysis, factor in multiple variables beyond time, cost, scenario planning, what if analysis for different time allocation strategies, risk assessment, evaluate potential downsides of time investment decisions, and a long-term impact modeling. Consider future implications of current time choices. So cool. Professional and business features, some more stuff. I'm not going to get into every single thing, but they do give us an implementation roadmap, right? So what is a part of this implementation roadmap? It tells us that Phase 1, months 1 to 3, foundation enhancement, enhanced activity tracking history, smart timer integration, enhanced UX improvements, dark mode, widgets, etc. Phase 2, and this would be something that we can start working on right away. Phase 2, months 4 to 6, engagement and motivation, goal setting and progress tracking, enhanced, is it worth it decision engine, customization and personalization features, phase 3, month 7 to 12, so a whole year. Advanced capabilities, comprehensive time auditing, productivity methodology, integration, and basic analytics and insight. And then phase 4, year 2, social and intelligence, social features and accountability, advanced analytics, integration. So many good. Oh my goodness. Technical considerations, data privacy and security. So we have to be focused on that. Performance optimization, got to be focused on that. Scalability planning, design database architecture, all that good stuff, right? And then monetization. Oh, that's where I wanted to get to. It gives us some monetization opportunities.
We the best.
So freemium model enhancement, free tier, basic time cost calculation, simple is it worth it feature. Premium tier, advanced analytics, unlimited history, goal tracking, and timer features. Pro tier, social features, AI insights, integrations, team features, and then additional revenue streams, productivity coaching, in-app coaching services or partnerships, corporate licensing, team, and an enterprise version. What in the world is going on here? Really good, really good. And affiliate partnerships to recommend productivity tools and services, and then success metrics and KPIs, daily, weekly, monthly active users, session duration and frequency, feature adoption rates, and user retention rates. Look at that. Value delivery, time, cost, calculation, frequency. Is it worth it? Decision usage. So we're going to have to add some tracking in there. Goal achievement rates and user reported productivity improvements. Look at that. Business metrics, user acquisition cost, lifetime value, premium conversion rates, revenue per user. So many good stuff in there. So many good stuff. So to wrap it up, they give us a conclusion. Let's read the conclusion, right? Your time cost calculator app has a unique position in the market with its focus on personal time value awareness. By implementing these feature recommendations in a phased approach, you can transform it from a simple calculator into a comprehensive time management and productivity platform. The key to success will be maintaining the app's core simplicity while gradually adding value-driven features that help users make better decisions about their time. Focus on features that directly address the major pain points identified in the user research: feeling overwhelmed, distractions, procrastination, and lack of time awareness. Start with tier 1 to build engagement and user value, then progressively add more sophisticated capabilities as your user base grows and provides feedback. This approach will help you build a sustainable, valuable product that truly helps people optimize their most precious resource, time. The only thing you can't get back is time, right? But that's it. How detailed, how informative, how helpful with that. So now what I'm going to do, and maybe I'll make a video about this next week, but I'm going to see if Manus can connect to my Jira integration, to my Jira account, and create the epics and the stories of what we need to work on, and then we can actually go into that phase approach where we can say, all right, Devin, I need you to do this, I need you to do that, all that good stuff. So I've been using Manus for like a week now. It is absolutely amazing. Here's what I'm going to share the link that I got from Manus into the description. If anybody wants to give it a try, they give you some free credits. You can sign up for it. I signed up for it because I wanted to see like how much I can do with it, at least for a month. I always say, these AI tools, try them for at least a month. See how much value they bring into your life. If you watch the kind of conversation from Monday talking about betting on yourself, you need to invest in yourself. Try these tools out, even if you don't keep it. I had the clone tool for a good maybe 2 or 3 months. Tried it out, and then I finally got rid of it after I made a good amount of use with it. Try these tools out. Invest in yourself. You spend more a day going to Starbucks, getting a caramel frappuccino. Invest in yourself in these AI tools and see how far they can take you, how much it can help you. All right. But that is it for today. I just want to thank you guys so much for tuning in. Hopefully you found this useful. Hopefully you found this helpful. I definitely have. I'm going to create a lot more stuff with it and have it come up with ideas. I even on the live stream this past Sunday, I even had it create me an N8N workflow to create a fully automated podcast, right? 2-person podcast. So I'm going to try that out as well. I'll probably be creating a video for that soon, all that good stuff. But that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Do me a big favor on your way out. If you have not done so already, like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you know every time we go live and drop new content as well. Go to techodrop.dev, sign up today, get access to exclusive content. Like I said earlier, I just uploaded our latest sprint review. Check it out. I'm showing my tech barbarians, my tech project members, the whole end-to-end workflow on being on a software development team. So if you're not familiar with it, if you want to be in tech, you really want to watch it. So go ahead and check out techodrop.dev. Also, merch.techodrop.dev as well. This really cool nerdy by nature hoodie. A lot more merch is in there. Check it out. You're going to love it. I'm a token fiend. I got to get my token hit for today. So I'm out of here. You guys have a wonderful rest of your Wednesday. It's hump day. It's hump day. Let's run it up. Let's finish the week off strong. Techotrov, we are out.
watch as the clock ticks by, but I'm the storm in the endless sky. I'll climb the mountain, no matter the slope. Fueled by hunger, fueled by hope.
They sit and watch as the clock just spins, but I'm out here chasing where it begins. I don't need luck, I don't need a sign, just a fire in my soul and a dream that's mine.
All I wanna do is win it all. Climb every mountain, never let me fall. Bet it all on me, I'm the one who rise. I'll break the limits and touch the sky.
I'm betting it all, no second glance. Got fire in my soul, I'll take the chance. No time for sitting, no time to stall. The world is spinning, I'll have it all.
They say the world just turns and waits, but I've got no time for those debates. The fire in my chest, it burns so bright. I'll take the dark and turn it to light. All I wanna do is win it all. Climb every mountain, never let me fall. Bet it all on me, I'm the one who rise. I'll break the limits and touch the sky. No retreat, no looking back. I'll carve my name on this beaten track. They'll say I dream too wild, too bold, but I'll write my story in lines of gold.
All I wanna do is win it all. Climb every mountain, never let me fall. Bet it all on me, I'm the one who rise. I'll break the limits and touch the skies. And touch the skies. No fear in losing, no time to doubt. Every whisper, I'll drown it out. I'll rise higher with every stride. The flame of passion, my only guide.